acknowledge Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Dauphin County in south-central Pennsylvania, northwestern York County in south-central Pennsylvania, central Uniata County in central Pennsylvania, northern Cumberland County in south-central Pennsylvania, eastern Perry County in south-central Pennsylvania, until 3:30 p.m. At 2:36 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Rickersburg to near Carlisle Springs to near Blowsville, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Hummelstown, Carlisle, Lower Allen, Steelton, Hershey, Enola, Mechanicsburg, Camp Hill, Colonial Park, and Middletown. This includes the following interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike from mile markers 211 to 258, Interstate 81 from mile markers 40 to 80, Interstate 83 from mile markers 26 to 50, Interstate 283 from mile markers 0 to 2. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.